To work out the formula of ionic compounds, we need to know the charge on the ions that are in the ionic compound. And once we know the charge on the ions in the ionic compound, we can work out the chemical formula of the compound. In this lesson, you will see how formula of ionic compounds can be found through balancing the charges on the ions within the compound. We will look into examples and we will try to find the formulas together. The chemical formula of sodium chloride is NaCl, whereas the formula of magnesium chloride is MgCl2. You see the difference? Like all compounds, these compounds have no overall charge. They are electrically neutral, and you need to remember this. This is a very important characteristic. These compounds are neutral and they have no charge. So we can conclude that the total charge of the positive and the negative ions in a compound must cancel each other out. Therefore, the charges on the ions must add up to zero. Ions can have a positive charge and other ions can have negative charge. In the case of magnesium chloride, a magnesium ion has a charge of 2+, and the chloride ion have a charge of 1-. So, the magnesium ion must combine with 2 chloride ions to form an electrically neutral molecule. Why is that? 2 chloride ions will make up a total charge of 2-, and 1 magnesium ion has a charge of 2+. 2+ and 2- cancel each other, and therefore the formula of the compound is now MgCl2, because there are 2 Cl ions, chloride ions, to cancel the charge of the magnesium ion, which is Mg2+.